is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
This na Area Tori. Una welcome to this program, Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to you from Procyon Radio and Television.
Area Theory na the program where they talk about things where they happen for our area. My name na Gloria Enoch.
And my name na Evelyn Clifford Harry. Abeg, no forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
My people, we greet una once again. We don't come today. The matter where we bring to tell una from our area, the theory where we bring today na theory of women, young women, where they introduce themselves, say then they do something where then they call them committee of friends. Committee of friends, it don't bring problem for our area. We don't make husband and wife fight. So tell the matter, don't every person for outside don't hear am. That is why we bring and come to una today. We won't tell people, our people, say, Kai, no be say na dole ne, no be by force. Wetin make we have to put dole so that outside they call am dole, no be say na by force you must be join committee of friends. Committee of friends don't separate husband with wife. E don't separate mother with pikin. E don't cause problem for many family. That is why we want tell una say committee of friends. No be say e no good o, e good. The bad thing inside there na when they be introduce anko. The anko na be the problem wey dey inside that matter. This anko no be say for only wedding o, they go just dey like this, say e be like say this our sister wan do something. They will bring they go introduce anko. One person will just say, if I want make them wear this one for me, for my day of my Thanksgiving. You don't think of another person. Whether the person go get money, and you come make me say, as far as we did that committee of friends, you must buy them. The thing come become like saying a problem. Let me see, it be like a problem now for Angwa, because now the thing when they talk, say, you don't hear them. Yesterday, now Mr. A and Mrs. B, now fight, so they say, what bring the say that committee of friends. So they say make the wife them buy Holland. No be how much they say na 40,000. Then the man say you get 40,000 to buy wrapper. Now my children dey like this. So you get this kind of money for house where you go take go buy wrapper. You know if you comot the money when you are picking go school.
So na serious matter.
So that is why we bring this matter, say make everybody chook mouth. If na the waiting, they happen for our area be that. I beg chook mouth put for this matter.
You know, say this thing where they talk about Ashobi. That Ashobi na serious stuff because some women feel keep for that Ashobi matter. Because then women like Ashobi no be small. They like am no be small. But me I dey feel say no be everybody get that hand reach to do Ashobi.
Yes.
You go see how some they kill themselves. They no get money.
They must buy am.
But they must buy am. Any Ashobi wey comot they won't buy. By fire, by force, they won't buy that Ashobi. Me, I get one day where they work out for I don't come up for work with that, they go house. As I just dey pass, I hear the woman they talk say, they don't come out another Ashobi. After the one where they don't come out for 1 month ago, where they do celebration for their organization. Now they don't come out another one. The one now say, why they go come out another one? No be everybody get money. Why they no go look for Ashobi where they go use if anybody they do event for that organization, they go use them for a period of time before they go come change them again. She should not get money. Why did they disturb them about Ashobi? She should not go buy them because they waste money for Ashobi. Now, this kind of talk, you know, Ashobi when they make some people yes, when they make this Ashobi thing they become something. No be do or die affair be Ashobi. Now clothes where you go wear, chicken, nothing else they there again. But what boy they get because now money you go take buy one time. That money some people from January to December, the Ashobi where they don't gather.
Where they go buy for December.
They fit buy motor car with that money. For only Ashobi, they fit buy motor car for that money or build house, my level, reach, do foundation with them. Because of
this
Ashobi.
matter when you talk, it make me remember the one where talk say, the last one we go use for December, now to mash. If you don't hear them say to mash, so no say the hair tie, the blouse, the wrapper, and the shoe. Now to mash. And you forget, so not be everybody go fit do that to mash. It won't cause problem for people's house. Woman no go cook food give children. Children go dey put mouth for eye for people food for compound. Then you dey gather money. Then they quit adashi for Ashobi.
They think they cause serious problem for this Ashobi. More we dey take am easy. Anywhere where we see say if you cannot stop because you get some women say they capable.
Some do.
If you dey capable, no bad. You know bad make you do because you dey capable. But when you know say your hand no reach, your hand at the detriment of your own family.
Na so.
No una just dey follow life jeje. One step at a time.
Na so.
One step at a time. Now so you go see say time you get time for everything. You get the time when you get do the one when you no get no say you no get. No go force yourself. You get some people wey you no go believe wetin how far they go.
Even for meeting, you get some meeting where you say they don't only get rapper where they tell you they don't get one. They don't get two. They don't get three. As you don't reach this end of the year, they say, this end of the year, we must bring new one. You go bring new clothes. Where you know say no, this person don't get the first one, get second one. When we say inside that first one or second one, if you pick and say now this one we go use, they say then go buy new one. Then we know for it, you know even ask yourself say everybody will sit down for this meeting, then go fit buy this new clothes when you choose. Okay, now go bring and come. We don't bring new wrapper. Come and buy you. If you know where you go be like say now your own was people go dey think and they say now more so everybody go wear that for the day of our end of the year party. So if person not get the money and inside the end of the year party, they don't levy people. You go pay the levy, you go buy the end of the year wrapper. Okay, if you don't get all these things, that day you go sit down for your house now. Because you don't go be say people where you know where. The best thing is to sit down for your house. And if you sit down for your house, you come be like say, now you own 9 was. So this thing when they bring and so all this and co when they do, it they make people, family get problem. And they make even personal person get thinking of they think of me I no fit buy you so that day I no go so you go sit down for house and you don't already follow them contribute the money now you no go fit go because you no tie the uniform where all of them tie. So this thing I make we bring and come say I beg our people this as the year they end so we want make everything waka jejeje make we no want anything wey will cause problem for our family. This way will cause separation for our family. This way will cause fight for our area. We want here, you wake up in the morning, my area, my people, have good money. And that kind of thing we want here. Kaduna go there better, Nigeria go there better for us. So today, now make we bring this matter, say, I beg, we're going to look into this matter.
You know, say this issue of Ashobi. I noticed say, this Ashobi issue, now women, they carry this matter.
Now women,
I know they see men, they do.
Nothing concern men now.
Ashobi.
You know, they no go carry money help their husband, no, now the Ashobi. Woman go do contribution from 1st January till the last day of December. When they don't reach like 15, they go start to share the money. What they want take that money now and go. Now they go buy. You don't think of what you go take buy clothes for your pikin where you go look good that day. You don't think of what you go take buy food, cook for your family, so that your children might go sit down for a house, enjoy the food. Now uncle. So that is why we say, I beg our people. The uncle, make make them no put them to be die or do. Make una do the one where every woman go feel do. So that you will carry everybody along. We no come make woman come sit down for us, think and say, every year me I no go tie. From there you go see say sickness go enter body. Sickness enter body now, death go come. So that's why we say, make we tell una beg, make una take life, JJ. No go take the things where your hand no reach. Now thank you. So now we don't come to the end of this program where we call Area Tori and the program where we will bring so now don't hear what we talk about the danger of Ashobi, the danger of community of friends. Nobody said to do am no good, do the way where everybody go feed do. So we don't come to the end of the program.
Put on our contributions for inside the comment section. Talk on our own for them. We hear on our own side. We there on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We also go Google Play Store, download our app. Thank you, and keep shining like the star we wanna be.
Baby, my salary, I want to marry.